Good evening to Christian and the Savage Mind family, to the Manlangit family, to Bernard Carino Fajardo, to everyone gathered tonight for the celebration of Bikol poetry, music, and friendship. I'm sorry I can't be there tonight in person. When we think about Sir Gualberto, we don't think about any single accomplishment, but the sheer coherence of everything he did. A poet, a visual artist, a lawyer, a publisher, a public servant. On the surface, a varied life. Look closer and it is the same project running through all of it. The insistence that Bikol life in all its fullness needs to be documented and passed on. Someone who adapts Rizal's Mi Ultimo Adios into Bicol, who gives the world sa baybayon and sisiran, who founds Bandilyo and keeps it going for over a decade, who writes poems and paints, that person has decided very deliberately where their attention belongs. Not many people make that decision with such clarity, and even fewer sustain it across a lifetime. The book you are launching tonight is one of the ways that clarity gets to outlast the person who carried it. Bernard Fajardo's translation is made possible in part by the NBBB's translation grant, and I want to be direct about what that program actually exists for, because it sometimes gets described in ways that flatten it into something administrative. It is not a subsidy for projects that would find their way into print regardless. The movement of a work from one language into another does not happen on good intentions alone. It requires someone with skill and the commitment to carry that work across without losing what made it in the first place. And it requires conditions that make that decision viable rather than merely admirable. Fajardo brought the former. The grant helped provide that latter. A poem written in Bicol for Bicol readers now has a wider world to travel into. That is what this program is for. The Writings in Progress workshop, brought to Naga by the Goethe Institute and Savage Mind, adds another layer tonight that I think is worth acknowledging. There's real generosity in the decision to honor a completed life's work in the same space where writers are still actively forming theirs. Manlangit spent decades building the conditions for Bicol literary life to deepen and expand. This evening is one of the places where that work keeps going. On behalf of the National Book Development Board, congratulations to the Manlangit family, to Bernard Fajardo, to Christian and Savage Mind, and to everyone who made this evening possible. We are proud to have been part of bringing this book into the world. Thank you very much.